In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Battle.net and Steam, all within just 5 minutes. First, let's dive right into the process by heading over to the Battle.net website. You can easily access this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL, or simply searching for Battle.net in your browser's search bar. Once you're on the Battle.net homepage, you'll want to log into your account. If you haven't logged in yet, look for the login section, usually positioned in the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and make sure you remember your password to avoid any hiccups. After successfully logging in, the next step is to navigate to your account settings. You can locate this by clicking on the account drop-down menu that appears when you hover over your username in the same upper region of the page. Click on the account option. From here, you'll be presented with a menu where you need to select account settings. It's always good to familiarize yourself with this section, as it houses various preferences and settings for your account security and personalization. Once you've landed on the account settings page, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a tab labeled Connections. Go ahead and click on that. The Connections page is crucial because it allows you to manage which services can interact with your Battle.net account. It's like a central hub for all your linked accounts. On the connections page, look through the list of available services you can connect to. We're interested in Steam, so locate it on the list and click on the connect button next to it. This action directs you to a prompt where you'll be asked to confirm your intention to link Steam. Click on continue and you'll be redirected to the Steam login page. This step ensures that you're authorizing the connection yourself, which is a great security measure. Enter your Steam credentials to log in. If you have two-factor authentication activated, you might need to complete that process as well. Next, proceed by clicking sign in. By doing this, you're agreeing to let your Battle.net account link up with your Steam account. It's like connecting two pieces of a puzzle, allowing them to work together harmoniously. You'll see a final prompt where you need to follow the instructions to complete the connection. And there you have it, your Battle.net and Steam accounts are now successfully linked. This connection simplifies the process of launching games and accessing content across both platforms. If you ever decide to unlink your accounts, you can easily return to the connections page and disconnect them. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming.